Hi, my name is Tom Truong. You know, there's an old adage that says opportunities come and opportunities go. Half of that is true. They definitely come, but you know what? They don't just go away. The opportunity goes to someone who's open-minded, who slows down long enough to listen to an opportunity, to business plan, to a platform. If Mark and Jared thought enough of you to share this video with you, please slow down. That's my word of advice for you. These guys have years of experience, generational real estate experience, and if they thought of you enough to share this with you, I suggest you slow down, listen to what they have to say. This is a quick 5-10 minute video tease. If it sparks your interest, get back to them, ask for their time, get on their calendar, and they will show you the rest of the platform.
Absolutely, I really appreciate that, Tom. And if anybody ever told me that you could give a gift, a company as a gift to somebody, I'd kind of wonder how does that happen? But it happened. 37 years in the real estate business, and somebody gave me the gift of a real estate career. A true platform to build not only a generational wealth in my family, but for agents that I explain what eXp is all about. And the person responsible for that gift is right here, Tom Truong. Tom, I want to thank you for giving us that gift.
All right.
My son here is appreciative, and of course,
100%.
He was like a little kid at Christmas. He opened the gift first.
Only about 4 weeks earlier. 4 weeks earlier.
4 weeks later, I enjoyed the gift.
Little kid in a candy store.
That's it.
And every day, truly every day, I eat, live, and breathe my career, and I get my support from Tom and all the other support organizations within eXp. For Jared, can you just share, I mean, you've been in real estate now
6 years.
6 years.
6 years.
And the change that it has impacted on your life and your business?
Well, I think the biggest difference is a lot of companies talk about culture, they talk about collaboration, they talk about fun, they talk about community, but eXp doesn't talk about it. They show us what it is, and definitely here at this Build conference, it's unmatched.
Yeah, well, Mark and Jared, I couldn't be happy to have you as my business partner, right? For us in the organization, we have such an amazing platform. We have such amazing tools, training, support systems, lead generation, that it is financially irresponsible for us, now that we have opened up this gift and see what's inside. It's totally irresponsible for us not to go out and not to share it with other agents, because we know how this gift, how this business platform can absolutely change a real estate agent's career, not just their career, but their generational wealth for years and years to come. So man, I'm so happy to be your business partner. I'm so happy you guys said yes, right? So happy you guys said yes. And we have so many more agents' lives to change.
Just getting started.